Port Kembla, a proud steel-making suburb, there's one thing missing, and that's the seafarers who bring the iron ore around this coast to make this steel. When you go up a gangway as a seafarer, there's a few things you've got to do. You've got to have trust, and you've got to have faith. Faith in the cook to cook you a good meal. Faith in your deck officers to navigate the vessel safely. Faith in the engineers to keep the vessel running safely. And faith in your shipmates to keep an eye out for you. I'll tell you one thing you don't have to worry about, and you should not have to worry about, is a company sacking you overseas. Waiting till you've left this harbour, or waiting till you left the harbour somewhere else in this country, halfway to China or in the South China Sea, and be sacked. Sitting at anchor, not knowing when you're coming home, and having no idea of future job prospects or whether you're going to be able to provide for your family. That is absolutely not on. It is industrial bastardry of the highest order. Last year, BHP Iron Ore up to $12 billion they made, and now they say they want to get out of shipping. They want to get out of shipping in the interest of profits. It's a disgrace. These proud seafarers have been working with this cargo for over 100 years. We're highly trained, highly professional. We do a wonderful job. The wonderful women and men on those vessels do a wonderful job. And now BHP want to turn around and just cut them away. It's bad enough. Think of anyone, and we've all been there, people have been sacked, businesses have closed down, but think about how that affects people when you're isolated, away from your family, away from support networks, away from unions who can represent you. It is nothing short of shameful. Guttering. The crews are gutted. You know, they get an email from BHP through the TK who employs them to say we're getting out of shipping in Australia, and then the process starts from there. Yeah, it would be bad enough. It would be bad enough sitting alongside here if that happened. Not when you're isolated thousands of kilometres from home. It's terrible.
Tell us a bit about these guys. Obviously, you've been over on the ship, you're talking face to face now. Where are they from? What do they do now?
They're from all around the country. You know, there's some of the seafarers are here in the Illawarra area from all states. What do they do? Really good question. We don't know. We don't know. TK are trying their best to look after these seafarers, but BHP cannot feed any more information when they're going to get off, how they're going to get off, and what's going to happen. They're still up in the air as we speak now. I was in Hong Kong this week, and they're gutted. I can't put it any simpler than that.
What's the situation? They're just stuck on the ship at the moment. Not going on.
Yeah, look, our seafarers, we're professionals. You know, we do our job. You know, the ship's in no harm's way. The ship's being run safely. You know, they're at anchor at the moment, and they'll continue to be there, and we'll continue to do our job until such time as we're repatriated home.
So when you talk about the job you guys do, you do it well. How does that compare to, I guess, the potential for foreign ships to be operating and servicing in Australia?
Well, let's just have a look back over the last 10 years and see what foreign vessels have done. You know, you've had the Barrier Reef that's been involved in incidents. You've had incidents in other parts of the coast. You know, these are highly trained Australian seafarers who have to have maritime clearances to work out here for a start. No foreign vessel workers on foreign vessels have to have those same clearances that we need to have. So, you know, it is not the same type of work that they can expect that work will be done.
Does it put the standard in the industry at risk?
Absolutely. Absolutely puts the standard in the industry at risk. These are exploited overseas seafarers. Some of these seafarers are on as little as $2 an hour. They are exploited foreign workers out here on temporary licences taking cabotage trade, what should be cabotage trade around this country.
Have you had the chance to speak to BHP for this conversation?
Ongoing. Still happy to put out press releases. They're happy to spin this in the interest of a commercial decision that they've made. Commercial decision or not, they took the choice to dump seafarers in a foreign port and sack them.
Is there any chance to turn this decision around at all?
We'll fight. We'll just keep fighting as hard as we can. The prospects aren't looking great to get more vessels on the coast, but I tell you, once Labor get in, we'll be fixing the shipper policy in this country. It probably is better for politicians to talk about, but that's what we're aiming for. This country needs a strong, vibrant shipping industry to survive. We're an island nation. We should have ships running around this country with future work, future generations. You know, kids will be striving to have a career at sea in this country. While the current legislation stands as it is, and while the current government will do nothing about fixing that legislation, there is no future for people who want to go to sea, all the seafarers who work at sea now.